Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hazel from the channel 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞. I really appreciate you coming back, or if it's your first time here, hi guys. I am really excited because I have bought my very first Louis Vuitton bag at the grand old age of 51. I will open that in a second. Knowing that I could style this bag in autumn winter led me to a situation that happened recently with VIVAIA. They reached out to me and said, have you seen these boots? They're coming out in autumn winter this year, and would you like to have a pair? Now I'm already a VIVAIA customer, so I was like, yes please. Woo! They arrived. They are so lightweight. I'm going to discuss a little bit about them. They are in the rich chocolate brown. I think they're so lovely looking. Look at those soles. Sock area here with the prilly up here. I think they're great. I actually really like these, and I've already worn them out. VIVAIA is an eco-friendly brand where their footwear is made from recycled plastic bottles. Their footwear is designed to be lightweight and breathable. So, yes please. They're actually called the urban boots. The reason I really like them, firstly, in the winter, you want to just put on some really comfy socks, and they've got a great roomy toe box. Arch support, they're machine washable and also water repellent, and they are slip-on sneaker boots, so hands-free. I've got a brown pair of leg warmers, and I've also got a cream pair of leg warmers, which I am wearing with the boots, and they are also available from VIVAIA. The discount code I will put on the screen and or in the description box, and this actually gives you 12% off for the first 7 days, and then after that you get 10% off. So it's definitely worth it if you're in the market to be getting some new winter boots. So I will show you how I would style these boots and how I would style the leg warmers as well. And I actually think it does elevate the outfit a little bit as well by adding the leg warmers. And thank you so much to VIVAIA for gifting me that pair of boots, and let's get on with the Louis Vuitton unboxing. So guys, it's now time for the unboxing, and let me do a quick story time. I had a bad experience in Louis Vuitton in Selfridges, and that led me straight into Gucci instead. Anyway, so this bag has been on my mind for a good while. I've done lots of research. An issue that I have being a taller lady is I need to make sure that any crossbodies, straps and things like that is going to be long enough for my torso. So I went into LV and I spoke to this gentleman who is now my SA. We got on really well. He said to me how edgy I am. I did like the idea of an Alma, but because of the length of the Alma strap was really good. However, the Alma bag is quite structured. It's a little bit like the 𝐃𝐨𝐬𝐿. It's a structured bag, and I don't think that I can really carry that off right now. So I was looking for a bag that was going to be a bit more edgy. Now he did show me these bags I'm going to put on the screen. He showed me, I think it's called the biker bag and the 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 bag. He thought that would suit my style. But I've already got too many black bags. The 𝐾𝐾𝐨𝐿 bag that he showed me wasn't going to work, nor was the biker bag, though I do like the biker bag. I do like the new Express bag actually, but anyway, I bought this bag before the Express bag came out. I decided to purchase this bag, and if anyone who is an LV lover will probably know what is in this shaped box. It's the new box with the push tab there. So I'm just going to undo the ribbon. Okay, so I have got the box opened, and this is not a first time me seeing this, by the way, because I went in the store. I'm just showing you for the first time. We have a flat bag. What could it be? Put that down for a second. Dropping things already. Sorry, Hetty. Okay. We have the dust bag. And we have a good old fashioned original Speedy 25. Let me just shapen this out properly and I'll show you in its glory in a minute. Okay, so I've now straightened the bag out from its squashed form. It really is lovely. It comes with the padlock. It comes with a little tiny baby dust bag, which I will open for you and show you the keys. Does not come with a clochette, I think they call it. So that will just sit in the dust bag for now. It does have the bandolier strap at the side. Has no feet at the bottom, but it is all canvas. And the leather is untreated, so the leather will age with use. And I like that. I'm not gonna be too fussy about keeping it in the best condition it can be, because I live my life and I want it to live its life too. And it has 2 zips, one zip here and one zip pull here, and you can carry it as a top handle, you can carry it as a on the crook of the arm job, or as a crossbody. So the strap actually comes in 3 parts. That's 1 section, 2 sections, and then the 3rd section. So it's long enough to make it into a crossbody, which is my preference. So I'm just going to put that on now for you. There we go. And if I want to do it as a shoulder carry, I can just remove one of the leather bits and then make it shorter, and then it could be a shoulder carry. So I will give you a quick tour. I mean, the Speedy 25, it's not a new bag by any means, but it is a classic and it's iconic. And I don't have one, and now I do. But I didn't love the idea of the bandolier strap, but this is the newer model. Inside, if I can show you, it has one inside zipped pocket, just there. It has one key ring hoop just there. You can attach your keys to it, or a little pouch, whatever. I do also have a, what do I have? This is the key pouch in S that came out last year. So I could potentially put this onto the inside bit of my bag. It clicked on like so. So in we go, and it just has a brown lining on the inside. And yeah, I got my first LV handbag. And what made the difference? The sales associate. He made all the difference. He took away that bad experience that I had 2 years ago. So yes, and everything else I've bought basically from another store, or I bought it online, so I didn't have to deal with that store. So I'm pleased that I now have a relationship again with that particular store. So I am very happy, and I have already taken it out. I took it out yesterday. I actually took it out yesterday with an insert in, and I'm next going to take it out without the insert in and see what I prefer. But yeah, I just wanted to share my first LV handbag shopping experience with you. I'm very, very happy. I'm probably 30 years too late in getting this, but better late than never. But thank you guys so much for being here, and do give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in one of my next videos. Take care guys, bye.